Students, now I am going to discuss the differential coefficient. In the previous class, I have discussed the how to get the differential coefficient by the first principle, or we can say that by the definition, and that is the dy by dx is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 function x plus delta x minus function x divided by delta x. Now today I am going to discuss the sum differential coefficient of the some common functions and rules of the derivative. So look at this. If y is the x to the power n, it is a algebraic function, then dy by dx is equal to nx to the power n minus 1. An example is this: y is x to the power 4, then dy by dx is equal to 4, n is the 4 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is the differential coefficient of this algebraic function, and there is no need to find this differential coefficient by this definition. Now for the trigonometrical function, if y is equal to sine x, then dy by dx is equal to cos x. If y is equal to cos x, then dy by dx is equal to minus sine x. If y is equal to tan x, then dy by dx is equal to sec square x. If y is equal to cot x, then dy by dx is equal to minus cosec square x. If y is equal to cosec x, then dy by dx is equal to minus cosec x into cot x, and y is equal to sec x, then dy by dx is equal to sec x into tan x. So this is the sum differential coefficient of the some known function, and using this function we can get the differential coefficient. And now I am going to discuss the some rules of this differentiation. So look at this. At first is the if the function is in the sum of or addition, then the differential coefficient of this function is equal to differential coefficient of the each function, and the sign, if sign is positive then you will put positive sign, or sign is negative then you will put negative sign. The example, suppose I am y is equal to सपोज कीजिए कि हम लिखते हैं एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 2, then dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square d by dx of x plus d by dx of 2, and d by dx of x square is 2x, and this, the exponent of this x is 1, so 1 into x is x, and 1 minus 1 is 0, and this is the constant, so there is no question of the change in this 2, so there will be the rate of variation of 2 with respect to x is 0, so the differential coefficient of the constant is 0, and your answer is 2x plus 1. So this is the first law rules, sorry, and the second is the y is equal to u into v, means if your function is in the form of the product of two or more than two function, then the dy by dx is equal to first function into differential coefficient of second function into second function डिफरेंशियल कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फर्स्ट फंक्शन. ऐसे 3-4 रहेंगे, तब भी 2 को छोड़ेंगे, 1 को करेंगे, ऐसे करते बढ़ेंगे. द एग्जाम्पल इज सपोज y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर साइन एक्स, देन dy बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट फंक्शन डी एक्स स्क्वायर डिफरेंशियल कोफिशिएंट ऑफ सेकेंड फंक्शन प्लस सेकेंड फंक्शन and differential coefficient of first function, and it is the x square cos x plus 2x sin x. तो ये हमारे पास निकला प्रोडक्ट के रूप में होता. और अगर क्वोशंट फॉर्म में हो यानी डिवीजन के फॉर्म में हो तो y इज इक्वल टू u बाई v है, then dy by dx is equal to v, मतलब डिनोमिनेटर इंटू डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ न्यूमरेटर माइनस u इंटू dv by dx divided by v square. Example is this: if y is equal to suppose it is x square by tan x, then dy by dx is equal to difference tan x means v and differential coefficient of x square minus x square and differential coefficient of tan x divided by tan square x, and it is equal to dy by dx is equal to 2x tan x minus sec square x into x square and divided by tan square x. So these are the basic rules by which we can get the derivative or the differential coefficient, and this is the simple basic concept of the differential coefficient. And when I will teach the physics, and then and if there is a use of this differential coefficient, I will try to clear that again in that time. So try to solve some basic question to get the differential coefficient. Thank you.